Okay, let's take a look at how we can go and change the scene here. So let's say self.view.presentScene, and we're going to present the scene of game scene. You need the brackets here, and the SK transition will be SK transition dot door, and you can select all these cool transitions here. I'm just going to do doorway with duration, and we'll make it 0.4 seconds. That works. btn play dot remove from superview, and then we're going to say game title dot remove from superview, and you need to add that in here or else it won't work. Now we need to add in an if let, let's call it the scene is equal to game scene, and we'll add in file name, and the file name will be game scene. It has to be spelled exactly the same way or else it won't work. Everything is case sensitive, right? And we'll say that the curly brackets here, and we'll say we'll call this the view is equal to self.view as skView. Okay. Then after this, we'll say the view dot ignore sibling order. Okay, and you can see here, I think I'm missing an exclamation point. Yeah. So the view dot ignore sibling order is equal to true. It's an optimization feature here, and then we're going to go to C or the scene dot scale mode, and you can go dot aspect fill, and you can see it's of type SK scene scale mode. So if you're wondering where that comes in here, that's what it is. And then we're going to go the view dot present scene, and let's present the scene of the game scene, and actually it has to be the scene, and the transition will be sk transition dot transition dot, and then we'll say doorway duration, we'll say 0.4. All right, now before we even do anything here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to my game scene.swift, and I'm going to paste it right in the wait then move to do. Okay, so I'm going to paste it in here, except for I'm going to remove this and say title scene here, and we'll say that the file name is title scene. Okay, so essentially you need to do that, and we're going to come back to this, but I'm just going to do this right now. In order to start off the game with the title scene, we need to go to our game view controller and get rid of this line here and replace it with title scene. And file name is going to be title scene. Now you'll notice that this code below here is very similar to what we just typed out, except for it's a little bit more confusing. Now you can do it if you want, but you can see what this does here. Okay, this includes a tutorial.